Hey everybody, my name is Brad Smith. Thank you so much for joining me today on my YouTube channel. Today we are drawing Batman, and I really like the Adam West style Batman. I like that black face and like the gray or blue costume that he wears, and so I like to mess around with that, and so that's what I did here. So as you can see, I'm resketching an older image. This is actually a drawing that I've made about 6 years ago, but I lost the file, and I honestly thought it could use a little retouch, so I'm cleaning it up and kind of making it a refreshed new style. And so that's what I'm doing. It's kind of a cleaner style mixed with the grittiness of the original, and I kind of think that's what Batman is. And so then I think I'm keeping the essence of that, and so I really like to show you how I do it. And you can see that I'm sketching it first, I ink it, and then I start filling in with flat colors. After that is when I start shading, and I'm keeping that grittiness as I shade and make sure that it's all correct. Right now, basically adding the shading on the face and chin, and then I'll basically be done with it. And so a lot of it was a solid black, so it was pretty easy to do. The original you'll be seeing in a moment right here on the left, and then the other one on the right, and I really like how it came out. Anyways, thanks for joining me. Hey guys, please remember to like, share, and follow me. Thanks.